What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today I'm gonna go check out a car. It's either gonna be a car to flip, use for a little bit, or put her on Turo. So let's get into it. So guys, just left the house. I wasn't able to record. It was a Chevy Sonic 2014 for $4,000. This car has a clean title, but it's all bonded out from front to back. Not sure. It was a lady. She didn't really know that much about the vehicle, so I'm driving, so I'm really not trying to look at the camera. I'm gonna be careful. But yeah, that vehicle, like I said, I wasn't able to record. It was a red Chevy Sonic, and they wanted $4,000 for it, and I just said, you know what, I checked it out, looked at it. It was leaking oil. It didn't have a check engine light, which was pretty good, but it was leaking oil pretty bad. And like I said, it was fully bonded, so I'm gonna pass on that one. And man, I'm stuck. There's this 2018 Volkswagen. I got the guy down to 7,900. It's a rebuilt title. It's 2018. Yeah, it's a 2018 or 2019, and like I said, 7,900, and it's got 15,000 miles. Of course, it's a rebuilt title, but I'm leaning more towards that one. That one looks really clean. I saw the previous damage in pictures. It looked pretty good. The damage was pretty severe, but it doesn't look like anything's bent. They look like they did the work correctly, so I'm kind of leaning towards that one. My wife really doesn't want me to spend that kind of money, but most of the stuff that I've been looking at has been pretty bad. And like I said, this car was $4,000. It's 2014, just a run-of-the-mill, little compact car. It's Chevy Sonic. And in pictures it looked great, but in person it just all bonded out. And the front didn't look right, the back didn't look right, so I'm not willing to pick that one up. So I'm leaning more towards that Volkswagen. It's gonna be a lot of money, but it is what it is. All right, guys, I'll do another video if I go check out that Volkswagen, or if I end up picking it up. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you next time.